If you are using your mobile phone as a camera and you're also using it to edit a YouTube video, but your mobile phone is running out of space, it can really be frustrating because you will not enjoy creating content as you used to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create more space on your mobile phone very fast. To do that, let's head over to Play Store and see some settings we need to apply. Regardless the mobile phone you're using, I will advise you to watch out to see if this tutorial will also work for your mobile phone as well. This is my Play Store. Now, go ahead at the top right corner at your email icon at this top here. You want to click on it. Coming down, you see manage apps and device. You want to tap on it. Click on manage. Can you see it here? Click on it. If you look at this up here, you see this device. All these are apps that are installed in your mobile phone and they are currently working. So this is what the mistake that many people make. They will just come here and delete all this app. If you do that, your phone will no longer be working again, because all these apps are apps that come with your phone and they are working to keep your phone functioning. So don't touch any app under this place that says this device. Instead, click on this drop down arrow. Can you see this drop down arrow here? This little one there, click on it. Instead of going to this device, you want to choose the down one that says not installed. Right, can you see this up has been changed to not installed? Now these are apps you want to delete. Why do you want to delete them? All these are apps that I have used in the past. You know, when you install an app in your mobile phone and you no longer use them, but you delete them, where do you think they go? Many of us think that if we delete an app from our phone, they just go completely. It is a lie. They did not go completely. This is where they go. They are taking space in our mobile phone. When we delete an app, they did not go completely. I remember for sure that I have used all this app, but right now I can't find them in my phone. If I go to my home screen, you will not see any of this app. I have already used them in the past and delete them. So sometimes we might be thinking that if we delete an app, that is the end. We will no longer see them again and they are not taking space in our phone, and that is a lie. Look at it. Just look at this face. So I remember I use this app, Amazon Shopping, and look at the number of spaces taking, 51 MB. Look at this, 42. Look at this, 31. Look at this, 84, 74. If you add up all these figures together, there will be about 4 to 5 gig. Are you getting it? So when you delete an app from your phone, they did not go completely. This is where they hide into. And you want to check all these boxes to delete them one after the other. Now I have checked all the apps. As you can see this up here, it says 43 selected. There are 43 apps I have used in the past which I have deleted. Yours might be higher than this, so I will encourage you to check yours to see how many apps you have that is taking your space. So when I've done selecting all the app, I want to come to this place that says delete. Can you see this place here? Delete. So click on it. Now you see remove selected app. Remove app won't appear here, so we want to remove. Now those app has been removed. Let's move on to the next step. The next thing we want to try out is to go to our file manager. Yes, my file manager. Come to this place that says Android. Come to media. Now look for where you will see .com WhatsApp. See it here. .com WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Click on database. Then you want to delete everything you see here. The reason of this is because WhatsApp will store some of your chat as a copy in your mobile phone. So it is absolutely fine if you delete it because you already have a copy of your chat when you back it up. So this one is another extra copy that WhatsApp will store in your mobile phone and which is taking more space. If you look at this up here, it says 82 MB, 82 MB, 82 MB again, 82 MB again. Yours might be bigger than mine. If you are using WhatsApp heavily, yours might be bigger than mine. So it is absolutely fine if you delete it. It won't affect anything. What you just need to do is just check it. Check all of them. Then hit the delete button at the down. Click on it. Delete. The next thing you want to do is going back to this option where you click on this database. This time, click this place that says media. Now, look for WhatsApp video. Look at it. Because video is taking a lot of space. Let's start with this one that says sent. This way you send video for someone. Mine is just 2 because I'm not that sending video like that. Yours might be bigger than this. You want to click on the check mark, click on it, then hit the delete button. Now let's go back again. This time you have deleted the sent video. This time come to private. You still see any video for me, just 1. And it's taking space of 1.68 MB. I'll just click on delete. So let's move on to the next step. The next thing we want to look at is sometimes when you are in a group in WhatsApp and they send video in that group, that video will automatically download to your phone storage and that will take a lot of space. But why not set it in a way that it will not automatically download until you download it by yourself? Why not do it that way? Because some videos can just be unnecessary. When sent to the WhatsApp, you might not like it, but it will automatically download. So let me show you how to stop that so that it will not be taking a lot of space in your phone. Some people can be in 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. In fact, many groups. But if you set it in such a way that it will not automatically download, you are saving yourself a lot of space. So just come here, come to your WhatsApp, come to this 3 dots at the right hand corner, come to settings. Now go down to here that says storage and data. Click on it. Go down again until you find when using mobile data. Can you see it? Click on it. Now you want to uncheck all this box because as it is checked, it means that if any photo is being shared, any audio is being shared, any video is being shared, any document is being shared, it will automatically download to my phone internal storage, and that will be creating, be taking a lot of space on my phone. So I'll just uncheck that. Then I'll click on OK. Then coming down to say when connect to Wi-Fi, and connected to Wi-Fi, still do the same thing and check out this box. Click on OK. And voila, you have successfully saved yourself creating or automatically download videos from WhatsApp group so that it will not full your phone storage automatically, right? I hope you learned something. If you are running out of space, you also need something like this. This is an external hard drive for mobile phone. As you can see, it comes with an Android input and also USB input as well. You can also need something like this you see on the screen. But the advantage of this on the screen over this one is that the one on the screen has multiple inputs. You can use it on iPhone, Android, even on computer, right? But they do the same job. What they will do for you is that if you plug this to your phone right now, and you can copy all your videos you have created in your phone, transfer it to this drive and save it for later. You can also transfer it here and use this place to transfer it to your computer, right? So that you create more phone space on your phone. That is if you are using your phone to edit your video and you are using your phone to create more YouTube videos. If you just leave it there, you will not have a lot of space. So all your older videos you have created, transfer it to this flash, to something like this. Then from here, transfer it to a computer so that you have more space in your mobile phone, so that you can continue to create and shoot more YouTube videos. I usually encourage people to save all their older videos instead of deleting them. What do you think? I always recommend people to save their older videos, their older YouTube videos, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. Save them. Save them. Don't delete them just to create space. Instead, save them on an external drive and back it up. Because YouTube can be funny at times. You can't predict what will happen tomorrow. You might make 1 or 2 mistakes and that might get your channel terminated. But if you have a backup of all your YouTube videos, you can start all over again. Instead to start from scratch, you already have those videos. You just need to do some slight editing and create another YouTube channel, you upload it, or you go to another platform like Facebook, TikTok, and the rest. So while you are trying to save space in your mobile phone or your computer, I also advise you not to delete older videos. Try to back them up on an external drive or something like this. Transfer it to your computer. I always recommend you to have a high gig, something of the one that have higher gig. You know what I mean? So that you can save a lot of videos as possible. So this is all we can take for today's video. If you found this video helpful, you find my advice helpful, why not give it a like to show that you really support, and we appreciate that. It means a lot to us. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I want to encourage all of you to keep creating and keep pushing.